When did you write your first book?
I wrote my first book at 3 years old, and I wrote my second book at 4.
Think about it. Every story your child writes is not just practice for exams, it's practice for life. Writing teaches them to imagine possibilities, to organize their thoughts, and to communicate clearly. But here's the problem. Many kids are taught composition as a checklist. Memorize some phrases, use a fixed template, and hope it works. That does not nurture creativity. And that's why many children dislike writing. It feels mechanical. Our new program changes that. Our Writing Masterclass is all about helping kids enjoy the process while still mastering exam-ready skills. We'll teach them how to spark fresh ideas, bring characters to life, and write stories that make teachers go, wow, this is different. So if you have been worried that your child's writing is flat or just want to see them shine with confidence, this is the place to start. Classes begin December 2025. Slots are limited. Say it with me. Hello, Writing Masterclass.
Where every child learns to shine, building confident learners one nugget at a time.